How to redeem codes in Grow a Garden. Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to redeem codes in Grow a Garden on Roblox step by step. So make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss anything important. Alright, let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up Roblox on your device. This works on PC, mobile, or tablet, anywhere you can play Roblox. Now in the search bar, type in Grow a Garden and open the game. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a little gear icon. That's your settings button. Click on that. When the settings menu pops up, you'll notice an option that says Redeem Code. Tap on it and a box will appear where you can type in your code. Now this is where you enter any active code that's been officially released by the game devs. It could be for bonus coins, limited time items, or in-game boosts. Just type the code carefully, it's case sensitive sometimes, and then press the claim button right next to it. And there you go, that's how to redeem codes in Grow a Garden on Roblox. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and of course, subscribe for more guides and tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.